Okay, so in this video we're going to look at list subtotals, where Bead Manager Pro will allow you to make subtotals of your inventory list so that you can see by groups how much you actually have left in stock or any other information that you want. For this example we're going to look at the parts inventory. So if we go into the parts, and the purpose of this video, what we're going to do for this example is we want to see the summary that we have in stock for particular parts with the same name. So we may have parts of different sizes, but with the same name. So what we want to do is work out a subtotal of the quantity in stock for each of the parts here that have the same name. So you can see here we've got green beads, glass beads, glass beads, glass beads, and we want to work out the summary for everything that's the same that we actually have in stock. So what you need to know with the list subtotals, the first important thing is that the subtotals, or the information, is applied to whichever header you actually clicked on at the time. So the first thing we need to do is to get everything grouped together. So we'll just organize the column that we want to have our subtotals of in order. So we'll just click on that. And now we can see that everything that's the same is ordered together. So our glass beads are all together, our green beads are together, and our red beads are all together. Now we need to click onto this heading and add a trailing group by part name. So we'll click on that, and you can see that what's happened here is that everything's been grouped together, and there's a little extra column underneath, or row, sorry, underneath, that we can add more information into now. So now what we need to do is, because we want the summary of this here, so we want to know, right, how many glass beads do we have? We've got 150, 120, 150. Green beads, we've got 60 and 20. Red beads, so on. So what we want to know is the total of these values. So we click over to this header, right click on there, and then we add trailing subtotal. So the total sum part quantity in stock. Click on there. And now you can see, so we have the totals here. So we can see exactly that for the glass beads, we have a total of 420 in stock. For green beads, there's 80 in stock. For red beads, we have 694 in stock. So this gives you a very quick way of just summarizing all your data that's in your lists. And in the next video, we're going to show you how you can actually print off these part lists very quickly, so you can take this with you to the store and you can have an instant inventory list to show you what you have.